Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another review of the Nomadic Marai 401 Prestige. So that's the black and gold two-toned variant. You can check out Nomadic's line. I'll leave a link in the description. So they sent me this watch to test out and send it back. And yeah, I'm testing it out. I wore it extensively the past couple of weeks, and I even took it out today before this video. This watch draws its inspiration from Belfast, building legacy, shipbuilding legacy. And Marai, the name of this model, means seafarer in Irish. There are several colors available. There is, I think, green, blue, red or dark red, black, and this classic black and gold. 401 is a number that it's related to the production of the Titanic in the and that's why they have this connection. So they had several models before this one, but for this one they have a new case shape with improved finish. I can say that. You can see the finish on the side, the brushed, polished on the chamfer, brushed on the top of the lug. The end link also ends with, see if you can see here, end link ends with the end of the lugs. Also the same female lug end link, so curvature on the wrist is much better than other straps, and easy access with the spring, easy spring function. You have also this rotor that looks like a rotor of a ship, which I think is pretty cool. Pneumatic, 200 meters water resistant, screw down crown, and let me take this off. So it's much easier. So the bracelet is very sturdy. It has also micro adjustments, as you can see, so easily adjusted. Milled clasp. It starts at 20 and goes down to 16, which I think also with this buckle, which has also a brushed finish. I scratched it a lot in the time I was wearing it. I hope Nomadic is okay with that. Polished chamfer on the side, which also represents the case. The buckle itself, I feel it also balances out the head or the case of the watch, which is quite on a strap. It's top heavy, that's why I wore it on the bracelet most of the time. Has really good loom. Check the loom video out. You can see how long it lasts. The hands also last a long time. I left it next to me before. This also has the upgraded movement. I think it's Celita W200 -1, but it doesn't have the ghost position. So as you can see, no ghost position like the previous one. And also 316L steel case, domed sapphire crystal with AR coating. As you can see, a little bit domed. And I will show you now how you put the strap or the bracelet with this new easy function or easy spring bars. Just press it from both sides, push it down, and then you're able to do it. And from the other side, you do the same thing. Push it down from both sides, and voila, you have it. And then I could show you on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. This is how it looks from the side, from the bottom. So it has this Tudor-esque look, which is cool. I really enjoyed wearing it, even though two-tone is not my thing. But when they offered it, I thought, okay, I'll try it out. It looks nice. Just feels too much Tudory to me. The bezel is excellent, like really good. The finish on the watch is really good. I think the dimensions, if I didn't mention it, was 40 millimeters in diameter, 48 lug to lug, thickness 12 and lug width 20. Also, of course, yeah, you can hacking hand winding. It's the Selita 200 and -1, which has 41 hours of power reserved. So why not put it on the Timegrapher so we can see how this watch is performing? And after that, we'll talk about the price and like my last couple of conclusion on the watch before I send it back to Nomadic. So it's been doing constant -3, -4 for the past couple of minutes. I think it's the movement. It's excellent. I have to say the Selita. They have been continuing competing with ETA. I think nowadays normal Selita, when they reach this, when it's not even chronometer, that's great. That's really nice. So let's get back to the last couple of things. First thing to talk about the box. It's generic wooden box. Great place to put your papers or straps if you want to display the watch. It's nothing to mock about, but for I think that watch costs 2,000 euros or something like that, in that range. I would expect either to have a nice box when they are talking about the relation to Titanic and the seafarer, which Marai translates to. I thought they'd do something with the box to feel like I'm getting. So the rotor is excellent. It's excellent touch. I really like it. Maybe something in that fashion would be really nice. Would round out the package, I would say, because the price is a little bit high. Because for a Black Bay, you could get a used one maybe for 2,500, 3,000 euros. So basically, putting a little bit more on this Nomadic to get a Tudor would be the best possible solution. But sometimes you're Irish, you want something that's from there, from Ireland. I would say this is a really nice, well-made watch. The quality is there, the build quality is there, the finish quality is there, the movement quality, as you saw, is also there. So all the box, it ticks all the boxes. But just I'm missing this cohesion between the packaging and the watch, and maybe they should just take more chances and really use these aquatic, or not aquatic, the marine heritage that they want to talk about, like the Titanic, and not only the rotor, maybe to the box, maybe even to the dial or to the bezel, to give me more feeling that they are using this text that they offer with the watch not as only a gimmick, but also as an ethos for producing their watches. But yeah, I really liked, really enjoyed it. Thank you so much, Nomadic, for lending me this watch and the other watches before as well. And I'll be putting it back now into the box and sending it back to them. And as always, if you did like this kind of video, please leave a like, also subscribe, and you find the subscription button here and on the left and on the right videos that you might enjoy. And of course, if you have any questions, comments, please leave them in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.